morning, afternoon, day, night, whatever it might be for you, wherever you are. This video is all about the fact that your content needs to be walking, or should be walking, your ideal client from where they are to the point where they are ready to buy your program, your course, your membership, whatever it might be, that is going to help them solve a problem that they have. Now, what is the problem they have? Maybe they know, maybe they don't know. They might be at all different stages of being ready to buy your product. So your content needs to address them wherever they are and get them closer to that point of buying, because at the end of the day, it's all about helping them out. So the first step is problem unaware. For example, someone has a dog that's barking and they just don't know why it's barking, or they might be in a relationship and they're just not happy with the relationship, but they don't know why. Someone might be having a lot of negative thoughts and they don't know why, and they're kind of just suffering for a little while. They don't really know what's going on. They know they're in pain. So the piece of content there is all about basically just saying that other people are suffering with this too. Other people have the dog that's barking. Other people have the negative thoughts. Other people have the relationship that's going a bit pear-shaped and they don't know why. And so now they relate to your content because they're like, oh, someone understands me. You know, other people out there feel it too. I want to listen to this person because they understand my problem. So we're going from problem unaware to problem aware. You know, they talk about in like Alcoholics Anonymous, the first step is always that awareness, because we can't really address anything unless there's an awareness to it. So now we have them at problem aware. They're aware of their problem. They don't really know what the next step is, but at least they're feeling a little bit better maybe about the fact that they understand their problem. Whether they're ready to do something about it or not is unknown. So we need to walk them to the next step, which is solution aware. We want to make them aware that there's actually something that can help them. And also that the fact that there is a solution, the fact that things can change, and the way that they're feeling or what's going on, whatever they're suffering with right now, isn't going to go forever. So that's the next step of awareness, that kind of solution awareness. And then the final step, right before they're ready to purchase your product or course or program or whatever it might be, is transformation awareness. In this content, we want to make them aware of what life looks like when they have transformed. What is going on? How do they feel? What's happening to the people around them? What's happening to their finances? And if their finances are like that, what does that bring them? What does it do? So what is the end result there that they deeply, deeply crave? Is it freedom? Is it financial freedom? Is it time freedom? Is it just a higher level of consciousness? Whatever it might be. Now, here's the thing. If we have someone who is unaware of their problem and we're saying to them, oh, hey, check out this transformation that's possible for you, they're going to say, get stuffed. I'm not ready for that. I'm suffering here. I'm not ready for, I can't get to that. That's like, no. So that's why we need to walk them to that problem awareness, because it's a journey that we need to take them on. You can't just go from problem unaware to being solution aware. There's too big of a gap there. So problem unawareness to problem awareness. Oh, okay, I have a problem, to solution awareness. Oh, wow, okay, so I don't need to be suffering with this forever, to transformation awareness. Oh, yeah, okay, life can look great and I'm ready for that. So they are the steps that you can take. I hope that makes some sense for you. If you've got any questions about that, drop a comment in the comments below. See ya.